Till them come back alone. Tag them death for the bone. I no lie. Dead them a death step in a them zone.
In this video, we'll be taking pronouns. As you already know, pronouns they form the basis of every language.
A pronoun is a word that is used to replace a noun. So, for example, if we have Janlo went to the market, this becomes he went to the market. Who went to the market? Janlo. This is generally used when the addressee knows of the person you are talking about. This topic is really broad because we have so many thoughts, but I have to summarize this. First of all, let's look at personal pronouns. Personal pronouns acting as subject. In English, we have them as follows: I, you, he, she, it, they. But in Patwa, their corresponding words are me. But when it comes to you, it is subdivided into two. We have you for singular and you for plural. So the you for singular is you, or sometimes ya. I say sometimes because in some cases you can replace them. Then the you for plural is ono. Then he becomes him, she, I, it, and them. So now we take the personal pronouns when acting as object in English. So in English, we have them as follows: me, you. So me becomes me. Then you, your, as you already know. So as the you is divided into three, so as the your, say the your two, we have your, yeah, and ono. So ono is for the plural. Then we have him. It becomes him. This because when you have a word starting with the letter H, you drop the sound of the H and then pronounce the rest of the word as such. So this becomes him. Please not am. So we have she. She becomes she. Is the same thing because it's starting with H. So you pronounce it as such without the sound of the H. So it becomes air. Then sometimes this is even replaced with the word him. This one, I don't have any knowledge. I don't know why they so love the him so much, such that sometimes it replaces the she. Then we have it, then which becomes I or it. Then we have them becomes them. I hope you remember that under our lesson 5 basic ways of pronouncing words in Patwa. So if you have missed that lesson, I'll put the link in the description box below, so you check out, so that you will not miss any information and then you will not become confused at all and you can follow along with us. So this becomes them. So from the above, you can conclude that personal pronouns are the same in Patwa, despite acting as subject or object in a sentence. So for the sake of time, because I don't want this video to be too long, so I will take, in every example, we have personal pronouns acting as object and also subject. So number one, me I go, so bring it for me. Me I go, bring it for me, which means I am going, you bring it to me. Maybe I have something or something we are talking about, so I tell you I am going, so you bring that into me. So me I go, bring it for me. Then example 2, that is you and your. So this one actually separated them such that we will take you only, ya and ono. So for the yo, you have your phone ya, 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 you have your phone ya. It's not like you have your phone here or you have your phone here. you have your phone ya. If you pronounce the yo very very well, it even sounds like yo, like the yo in English. So you have your phone ya. You have your phone ya. Then let's move to example 2. That's a sub example. So we have yeah, which is also part of, like I said in the beginning, the ya here and the yo, you can't always replace them. That's always, but sometimes you can replace them. So sub example 2 and you, we have ya must be mad if you do it. Ya must be mad if you do it. Ima ya father. Where do so? Ima ya father. Where do so? So you must be mad if you do it. Ima ya father. So let's move to example 3. Okay, sorry I didn't explain that. So you are mad to do that. He's your father. And then like you have done something to someone, then I see you. And you must be mad to do it. Ima ya father. Why you do so? So let's move to example 3. That's up example 3. Where honor go? Honor father forward. Which means where are you people going? Or maybe you more than one person. Where are you going? Your father is coming. Where honor go? Honor father forward. Where honor go? Honor father forward. So let's move to example 3. So example 3, this different from, so we are finished with the you. So we are now moving to him, he. So with him, we can say him a go on out of door if you see him a go get something for himself. Him a go on out of door if you see him a go get something for himself. Which means he has gone outside to see whether he can get something for himself. Him a go on out the door if you see him a go get something for himself. So now let's move to she and her. So with that one, let me see. So she say she's sorry, so me na beat up she. She says she's sorry, so me na beat up she. So that's the only example I'm having under that one. No, I'm having another one. So that's for she, her. She, her. Remember that. So I have she, her, and then she, him. But let's take the she, her. So me say, give that thing over there, Sophia. Which means I said, give that thing over there to her. Now let's move to it and A. He not take non natal if you do it. He not take non natal if you do it. Just say you're lazy. Which means it doesn't take anything to do it. Just admit that you are lazy. So let's move to them. Yeah, man. Me said them a far, so give me a number for them. Which means, oh yeah, man, they are coming. So give my number to them. So thanks so much for tuning in. Sorry for the bad sound system, and please, but most importantly, please subscribe to our channel. Thanks again so much. In the next video, we'll be talking about the dominant A. If you don't know what the dominant A is, I think this is what I call the key to Patwa, because it actually holds everything together. So please stick around so that you don't miss any of our lessons. As me always love to say, manners and respect.